This is how weird cartoon sounds are actually made. In Kung Fu Panda, to create the sound of Po's rapid punches, the artist had to slap a balloon really fast. In SpongeBob SquarePants, Mr. Krabs' cute walking sound wasn't artificial, but real king crabs were actually used by clashing their legs together to make that sound. In Last Airbender, for the little sheep Appa's licking sound, they didn't lick anything. Instead, an artist used a wet t-shirt to make the sound. Finally, in Invader Zim, for the sound of this little robot, they actually used a kettle.